Yo, what's up everybody? And hold on, I'm so laggy. So we're gonna lower out Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna be playing Weird Strict Teacher. If you guys remember last time we played Weird Strict Dad. So let's go to one player. There we go. Wait, what? So I just got kicked out of my urn. Rim. This race. I bet you. Alright, so today we're gonna be playing this game and we're gonna try to beat it. I played this game before, but it was like a different type of game. I don't think it was called Weird Strict Teacher. I think it was called Weird Strict School. What the? I don't know what's going on. I just hear a lot of weird noises. Search for lost book pages. Already? What? It wasn't this quick, unless I'm lagging. I'm in the cutscene now. Who is that? So we collected one page. I do not know what the heck is going on. Alright, I'm so laggy right now, but alright. Hold. Oh, that's how you spray it. What is what is this? You can't. Oh yeah, huh, you can't. I can't take off first person. Alright, so I'm lagging right now. What is going on my screen, bro? And I'm not pressing anything, so we got one coin. What is going on with my screen, bro? What is this? Is this hard mode? Is that a knife? Alright, let's go to Skibidi Toilet. What? Oh my god, what is going on, bro? What is going on? Alright, is there any pages here? I suppose not. Alright. Oh, no! Okay. I do not care about cheeseburgers. Did you just call me a goon? Alright, let's go. The lunchroom. I know where the lunchroom is. Alright, we're gonna go to the basement. No, I'm such a pro at this. I cannot take off first person, which is so annoying. I'm not sure if you can actually take off first person. I forgot. Alright, what is that ugly girl doing? They're both ugly girls. Get them out of my screen. Is that a page? Yeah, I think it's a page. What are these ugly Roblox avatars doing on my screen? I don't think these are book. What is going on, bro? Bro, what is this game? Principal. Hey, bro. Eat the burger. Can I eat the burger? I apparently cannot, but where else is the pages? So I've checked everywhere, I think. And who's that in the chat? I think I just got. Alright, I don't care. Alright. Ah! Sorry guys, I sneezed. Alright. Yeah, sorry, I sneezed. All there is to know, I'm so blind. What's the next objective? Bro, what is this game? Alright, we're gonna go to the library. Collect. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, collect. What is this game, bro? I'm reporting to developers that Chromebook is terrible for this game. Don't ever play this game on Chromebook. Chromebook is the worst computer out there to exist. Like, what is this? Oh, if I press... Oh, here's the flashlight. Alright. I never knew there was a flashlight. Alright. Place. What's the point of putting all these books here? There's no one else but me. What is this, bro? Is this my avatar? I don't know if it's the avatar. What is going on? What is going on? Alright. Are there the 2 books? An MJ. Oh, alright. Yo, what's going on? Bro, chat, report to developers right now, bro. What is this trash game? What is going on, bro? I'm flipping all over the place. Am I doing backflips? Am I actually that cool? Bro, what is this? Alright, one there. One here. And where is my mouse? I'm very worried. What is going on? What is going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh my god, there are those 2 books. I'm so scared to move right now. I am so scared to move. Is this game really this laggy? Comment down in the comments down below. What is... There's a generator? What is going on my screen right now? I've never raged before because Grimace Shake Skibbity Toilet Gaia. E. Oh, we have to hold. Who the heck is snoring? Do I really need to take it out? Do I really need to take it out? What? What? There we go. Apparently I had to click for like 20 times. Whoa! What is going on with my screen? Get a drink of a cup of water. Whoa, chat, is this... Bro, what is this Naked 20 stuff, bro? Arena. Amazing. Oh my gosh, we really have to do it. Alright, we have a top strat, chat. We have a top strat, so grab a cup. Oh, I'm gonna go sneeze. Sorry, chat, let's just sneeze. Alright, let's go. Eat food from the lunge. Alright. Where the heck is my mouse? My head is so itchy that I'm getting so worried. Hey, come on, come on. Why is there Roblox noobs everywhere that I go? Oh my gosh, am I really this laggy? Bro, what if I lag like this in real life? Would that be funny? No, I don't think it would. Oh wait. No! Cancel! I'm not buying that. Oh, I'm not rich. Go study in the classroom. What if I don't want to? Did I really take this long in 11 PM? This actually felt like an actual hour. Okay, I'm getting kind of scared, so what is going on? Yeah, I think I'm a sprint. I'm getting kind of worried. Bro, my screen is destroyed on my PC. What is going on? The good thing is that there isn't doors, because if you guys remember last video, I died from not going to bed because I closed the door on myself, trying to close the door on another person. I guess that's real life karma. Survive until 6 AM. Oh my god, the clock strikes midnight. Oh! Oh! It's so dark. Alright, let's go. Bro, who needs rules? Sometimes you need a poop. Why'd he get quiet? I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I can't. I'm gonna go get some water. What is going on my screen? What if I shift? Yo, what is this? Where even am I? Where am I? I can't flip my screen. What is going on? Look, my screen is moving. Where am I? Did I just crawl the walls like a freaking spider? Look, if I press shift, this is what happened. Oh wait, no, it didn't happen this side. Let's go. Stop! Where is it? I'm lagging! What is this? Whoa. What is going on to my screen? I'm not even using my phone! Oh, there we go. What if I do this? Oh, he doesn't come back like Weird Strict Dad. Drink water or die. Okay, it's not like Weird Strict Dad though. Oh no, I'm about to die. How am I just drank water. What is going on? Alright, so I'm gonna go eat. Oh yeah, I just have a burger. Did I really have to say yum? Alright, chat, let's go. Get a burger. What is doing it? Why is my 200 billion gigabyte PC doing this? It's cause I know why, chat. I'm poor. Okay, let's go. What is going on with my... Is there jump scares in this game? I'm not sure if there is. I mean, there's a game pass for jump scares, but I'm not sure if the Weird Strict Dad. So the generator. Where's the generator? No! I can't do anything! I can't do anything! I cannot do anything! Where am I? No! No! What is going on?